Okay, YouTube. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Jimdel-Edu. We're back for part 24. On part 23, guys, the audio did not work up properly. Yes, that was my fault. Okay, the audio did not work properly. This is what I'm going to do. Because of the audio did not work properly, guys, on admin.js. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the admin.js file, the JavaScript admin.js file, the entire file. I'm going to add a link in the description. So you guys will be able to download that link and unzip it and take everything and add it, replace admin.js. Okay. I'm going to add a link for the entire file, admin.js. Now you will be able to get everything. Because of on part 23, the audio did not work. So, and then now it's happened. I know that. And now, this is what I'm going to put the link in the description on this part 24. I'm going to put the link. Let me repeat that again. I'm going to put the link. You will be able to download admin.js, the entire file, okay, and put it inside of your project. Replace it by admin.js, the previous one. Okay. Now, to do so, to continue our series, guys, for me, okay, I do the same thing. Now I got the complete admin.js file, okay. This is it. I have the complete admin.js. The same for you. I'll put the link in the description. You will be able to get it as well. I add mine, and then once after adding it, after adding the admin.js, when you replace it with the previous one, and then refresh the page, or you have to remove some cache, from your browser. After doing it everything. So what I want you to do, refresh the browser, okay? Refresh it, and when you click, let me show you. When you click on admin now, you see this is the admin. When you click on admin, it will display, it open on the right side. Remember, I told you that before, and I'm going to say that again. It will display on the right side with edit user button, and you can see we got everything: name, status, last name for the also got our email address for the admin role for any users, guy. And you should be able, once you click on the edit user, now you can edit, admin can edit everything from here. Okay, now let's go back. Users only one, only admin. Okay, the same for our request. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to work on let me show you something quick. Let's go here. Okay, let me log out here and go here. Okay, from here, let me show you something. Now I'm going to create a file inside the main folder. Okay, inside the main folder, I'm going to create a file where to find the conversation. Now, and then after creating that file, I will try to try to send a request to the admin to see how this works so far. Okay, guys, this is what we're going to do. Now, remember to get the admin.js. I will put the link in the description. You will get the entire file for the admin.js, and you will be able to do this. Once you click here, it will display here. And then you see now the picture is a little bit bigger. You can edit admin. Admin can edit right here and change the icon image and so on. Okay, and this is for the when you receive a request, you will get the icon for the user right here. When you click on the user, it will display on the right side as well. Okay, without further ado, let's go back to open your code editor. Let's continue. Remember, we're going to create a new file inside the main folder, not inside admin folder. Let's close admin folder. Okay, now as you can see, I close admin folder. Now I'm going to click on the main folder. This is my main folder. I'm going to click on new file and save it as I want you to save it as find conversation dot PHP, like this. Find conversation dot PHP. Now we have a find underscore. The first thing, we create PHP. Okay. All right. The first thing I'm going to add for you guys. Now we have to remember we have to include main.php. The second thing, okay. The second thing, this is where I'm going to check if the user is logged in. Check to see if the user is logged in. If, okay. Okay. And then pass my my code here. Now, if the user is logged in, what if the user is not logged in? No, this one is a PDO, okay? Not 0. Oops, PDO. Let me make this a bit bigger for you, like this. Okay. What if the user is not logged in? Let me see. If the user is not logged in. If the user is not logged in, I want to exit error message. Okay. Exit error message. Now, next block of code. Now, this is where I'm going to update the account status to. Now, when you receive the request, you have to put the user on the standby, like waiting. Okay. You have to stay there. The user should wait. I'm going to say right here. Let's update the user account to waiting. As a status to wait. Okay. Update the user account. Status to waiting. Okay. I put it this way. Now, to do so, I'm going to use statement. Okay. Now, update my table for account on my database, and I want to set status table to waiting. Okay. Okay. And where ID equal, we don't know yet, question mark. Okay. And statement, I'm going to execute that statement. Execute it. Okay. With the session chat account ID, like this. Okay. Now, next, this is where I'm going to check if the conversation was ready to create, okay? If the conversation was already created. Uh, check check if the conversation is created. Let's keep it simple like this. I'm going to use a statement and use PDO to prepare, and then where I'm going to select everything from my table called conversations, and where, okay, or here, oops, account sender ID equal question mark, or for the account receiver, let me move this over like this. Account receiver ID equal question mark. Okay, and bring this down and remove status right here. We don't need, oops, bring this down and submit it. We don't did it yet, and search for an interval 1 minute. 1 minute, and status, and then we have to open the status right here. Okay. All right. Okay, next, I'm going to use statement. I'm going to execute this with session. Yeah, chat widget account ID. Session again. Go here, comma, and put the date format. Semicolon here and leave some space. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, this is now this is where I'm going to check if the conversation exists and then we have to get the output ID. Okay, I'm going to say conversation exist and output the ID, and I'm going to use a if statement. If conversation exit ID. All right. Okay, now this is where I'm going to, if you check the introduction, guys, you will see where we add the automated response for the user. Once he submitted, added his or her name or email address, and then everything. So now this is where I'm going to pass the automated response. While waiting to connect to connect to the admin or an operator right here. Okay, now this is automated responses equal. Okay, this is where I passed it. All right, and then put a semicolon here, and then go from the inside. Now, and the first line of code, we are going to say we are trying to connect you with an operator right here. Okay, put a here. Also, we have to tell the user to please, you can put camera if you want, please hang tight. Okay, and next I can tell her at any moment, or any moment I can at any moment. Okay, yeah, and here, and then this is where we have to output we have to output the response or message. Okay, by exit message. Okay, automated responses, pass an error here. Automated responses, put a semicolon here, and this is the closing PHP. Yes, yeah, this is the whole block of code for the find conversation.php, guys. This is the whole block of code. Okay, and now save everything. I want you to save everything. Like try use one of the browser and then to see if you can send a request. Okay, save everything. Let's go back here. Refresh the page. I'm going to add. Okay, okay, this is John code, and then this is the name and then email address. Submit. Okay, please wait. That give us an error message. on conversation.php on line 44. Okay, that give us an error message. Let's go back. Let me verify what's going on here. That's why I said if is login PDO exit error message. That's why we got error message. Make sure that it's working fine. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to see if if I can clear some cache. From our browser here. It's an undefined index account sender online conversation line 44, undefined account sender full name line 66. So we have line 67. Go back here and conversation.php. Save the first one, line 44. Let's say which conversation account sender ID. Okay, here we have account sender ID, and then we have account sender ID. It's defined here. And let's see, the second one on line 44, line 66. Sender full name, line 66. Right here. Let's see. This is full name 44, line 44, line 70. Right here, this is the full name. Okay, let's go back. Find conversation.php. I think everything is okay. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to clear the browser history, and then okay, for 24 hours. Okay, clear now. Okay, I clear the browser history, and I'm going to refresh this one. Let's see. Let's start over, guys, and see. I'm going to take this name, put anything, put alright, put Thomas Lee, anything. Okay, I put this name, email address, submit. Let's see if you're gonna get the same. Sometimes you have to clear your. Okay, we got the same. We have this error message. It seems like we have an error on find underscore conversation.php. Let me see if we got any error message here. Statement video prepared. Okay, update accounts. Set status to waiting ID. Session. This is this line is fine. Statement. Okay. Let's see. Here we have checked if the conversation is created. Waiting. Statement video. We select everything from conversations where account sender ID equal question mark or account receiver ID equal question mark, and let me bring this here and submit date. Get on date submit and there for 1 minute and status open. Okay, statement. I have to execute that statement. Session chat widget account ID session. Session chat widget account ID again, and we have the date format here. we have the date format, and we have a conversation equal statement. Fetch video. Okay. Now I got if conversation, exit conversation ID, automated responses. I think that should be work. Yeah, let me clear. Wow, undefined account sender. Let me go back to refresh this. Okay, I don't know why now it's working, guys. Let me refresh this. But we don't. I don't see the request. There's no request, but we do have Thomas Lee. Yeah, we got it through, but we should get request one. Let me clear that browser here. Let me see this. Last hour or 24 hours. Okay. Okay, let me see. For 24 hours. And refresh this one. Okay, that's why we have to let's see. Okay, but we got it through. This is the, but we don't have new message. No, we're supposed to get request one. Okay, only the we receive it. We receive it here, but that's why we got an error message here. I'm trying to figure out why, but when we check inside of the backend, admin, we see Thomas Lee and so on, but we're supposed to get one here and then request one. Okay, let me go back here. Yeah, I don't get it, guys, because we have it here. If you click here, we have everything, but this is admin side, the user side, and then give you a message. Let's clear 1 second our browser history. I'm going to clear this to last 7 days. Okay, I'm going to clear browser history last 7 days. Okay, last 7 days. Okay, now let's wait. Okay, and then I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use a fresh one, and input. Okay, a fresh one. Click here. I'm going to put different name test. Let's call it test 01. Okay, name. Here's the name. Put test coding and put anything. Okay. Email address. I'm going to put something like test coding 00 at gmail.com. Okay, I put it at, after adding test coding, add the email, the name and the email address. Now the only thing we have to do, click on submit. All right, let's see what's going to happen. Okay, all right, okay. We are trying to connect you with an operator. Okay. Okay, maybe now let's check the code. Let's see here. Please, any moment now. Let's see. Let's go now. Okay, any moment now. Okay, now let me show you something, guys. Now Let's go open the admin and let's refresh this one. Okay, now we don't receive it. Let me clear do the same thing for last hour to see sometime. Okay, and let me refresh. Okay, now we got admin here. Okay. No request at all. Did not receive it. Okay, we still got the same two. Alright, I'm going to do something else, guys. We are going to check on the Google browser now. Okay. And now this is Google browser. No, which one is? Oh, okay. This is the Google browser. Okay. Remove this. Remove this. Now I'm going to put the. Alright, not the admin side, the user side. Okay. I'm going to start over again. Put anything. Put Joe coding. That's the name. And for the let's see. I put any name. Ben. Okay. Put Ben Thomas. And okay, here, submit. Let's see what's gonna happen. Remember, we put on Ben Thomas. We're waiting. Yes. Now, as you can see, now you have sometimes you have to clear the your browser history. Okay. Any moment now. Now, let's check the admin. Let me refresh it. Okay, as you can see now it's working. I don't know why I was using the Chrome. All right, now we have we get it through. This is the we have one request. This is it's right here. It's right here. This is Ben Thomas. Our name, role as a guest. The status is waiting. Okay. And message is 0. That's 5 seconds ago. And this is the date. Also here you can edit. All right. Now let me show you. Let me go back. All right. And then when you click on the request, this is a one request. The admin will. That's 1 second ago. And then we click. The admin will click on the request. And the admin will. You got two options. You can accept the request or you decline the request. Okay? Got two. This is name. Ben is waiting. This is the 1 second ago. This is the email. Role as a guest. Register IP address. User agent. Okay? And now you got. Let me go back. All right. Now we got Ben and Thomas to user. Okay. Now, okay, let me show you something. Now you can, if you click on Ben here, you can. This is the when we created the message. If you click here, you got messages.php. We do not create messages.php yet, but if you click on when you click on Ben, you'll be able to. Once you click on the message button, that will display the message chat log. We will create that later on. And here you can edit Ben. Click on edit role. Once you click here, as you can see, you got everything: email, password, full name, role as a guest, and then this is the security cookie. Also, this is the status. Ben is waiting. Okay. Photo URL. We can add, assign Ben 1, or we can or what we can do, we can say bird and look something. Let me add something for Ben. I don't know what Ben. It's been like this one. I don't know. Or we can add this one. Okay, copy image address and go back and let me see, paste it here. This is delete. Let me go back and I don't know. Let me take some. Let me pick something else. Let's see this one. I don't know why. But wow. It's not copy image, copy. It's an image address, not. Oops. Let me delete this one and paste this one instead. No, this one is not. It's supposed to be. Oops. Oh wow. And let me bring this back. All right. I don't know how we cannot get. Wow. Let's see. Let's copy this one. Okay. I don't know why. Okay, let's save it and okay, let me go back, request. Okay, all right, we got it. All right, okay. As you can see now, this is Ben, because Ben is waiting. That's why we got the blue. For admin, let me show you something. For admin, we have green because admin is online, but Ben is waiting. Okay. Once you click here, you can edit. Once we create the message, you can click here and then view the chat log. Now we can see and then everything here. Okay. Don't forget, guys, I will put the link in the description for the admin.js. I said that before, and this is I do have the link. If you have to replace it, download it, unzip it, and replace it with the previous admin.js, because on part 23 the audio is not working. Okay, that's why I'm going to add it. That's why we got blue. You got blue here because if you have to wait, we got blue. When you're online, you see green. All right. Okay. All right. Let me go back to. Let me go back to the code. Once you receive the. Okay. Let me show you something. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is how the request.php looks like. Okay. Once you got a lot of users, you got the search bar to search for the user, especially. Okay. And you can accept or decline. This is the code for find underscore conversation.php. And this is where I'm going to stop for part 24. And I'm going to meet you guys in the next tutorial, okay? And this is where I'm going to stop. This is a step-by-step tutorial. Make sure, I'm glad that I think you learned something. And let me know in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Yes, see you in the next one for see you in the next tutorial, guys. Okay? All right, see you. Bye-bye.